Survival drama on a Valentine's Day. That's what people need. Yes. Hi, my name is Aditya and you're watching the AG Project. आज मैंने देखी movie तू या मैं. The movie is very straightforward and simple and I'll try to keep my review also straightforward and very simple and short. मूवी की स्टोरी काफ़ी सिंपल है. दो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होता है. एक होती है अवनीशा प्लेड बाय शनाया कपूर जिसके 2 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स होते हैं एंड दूसरा होता है मारुति प्लेड बाय आदर्श गौरव जिसके 20,000 सब्सक्राइबर होता है एंड शी इज फ्रॉम द रिच साइड ऑफ मुंबई. ही इज फ्रॉम नाला सोपारा. ही इज अ रैपर, ही इज अ स्विमर एंड आई थिंक फैशन एंड somehow their worlds collide and then they collab and somehow they land in a pool with a crocodile. How they land there is for you to watch. The first half of the film primarily focuses on their equation, how their relationship is established and what exactly is going on, so you have some personal stakes in the film. Second half is when the actual meat, the actual thing that you are here to see, that is them versus the crocodile, happens in the film. How are the actors? Obviously there are only just two actors in the film, Adarsh Gaurav and Shanaya Kapoor. They are the lead and both are very good from whatever the parts demand from them. Obviously Adarsh Gaurav is doing the more heavy lifting among the two and he's the more expressive also. Shanaya Kapoor, she's playing someone that comes from that background and like basically she's just playing herself or a version of herself. She comes from a similar world. And Adarsh comes from Nala Sopara, so he has that accent, he has that vibe, he has that Mumbai slang and everything. In tough situations, how both of them react, how Adarsh reacts and how Shanaya reacts are also very different. It's true to how their world is. तुमको obviously Adarsh के emotions की variety ज़्यादा दिखती है. Shanaya का range limitations very quickly visible होने लगता है as things go down. But it did not bother me. But we are not here to talk about just Adarsh and Shanaya, are we? So it's a survival film. तो survival film में सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या होता है? It's the pacing. Is it thrilling? Does it get intense? तुमको डर लग रहा है कि नहीं? These are the things that you're actually here for, right? And I would say for the most part, it works. It definitely works. It delivers that. Second half में when things starts going down, yeah, there are moments जहाँ पे you get on the edge of your seat, जहाँ पे you would feel like, oh, अब क्या होगा? What are they going to do now? How are they going to get out of this? Obviously, because it's a monster film, there are also certain kills that happen. Even if you expect the way it's executed, it's fairly effective. Remember, I said effective. They might not be realistic, but it works. It works in the film, yeah. जो डर दिखाना होता है एक प्रेडेटर का कि हाउ स्कैरी द सिचुएशन कैन बी, बहुत अच्छे से एस्टैब्लिश होता है. द टेंशन इज बिल्डिंग. टेंशन बिल्डिंग इज वेरी गुड इन द फिल्म. दैट बीइंग सेड, एट टाइम्स कुछ मोमेंट्स में आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट द म्यूजिक इज loud and blazing on your ears, you know. It's so वो जितने intensity से music बज रहा है, visuals उतना intensity पे है नहीं and I am also not feeling it. तो वहाँ पे हल्का सा मुझे disconnect लगा, but that's a very minor flaws. ऐसे for the most part it was effective. And music, one of the things that I really liked in this film is the music because it brings so much energy. At least in the first half इतनी energy में रहता है पूरा music. You're constantly in a vibe. It's constantly thumping you up and in a very fresh manner. Like it's been a while जहाँ पे तुमने एकदम hip hop music सुना है. When things start going down, music again plays a very big part there. Music really escalates and yeah, this is another film I saw in one day जहाँ पे पुराने गाने को remix करके वापस डाला गया है. But somehow this still feels very different and fresh. It feels intentional. हाँ, कोई intention है to have those things in, not just cash grabs. How is the crocodile? So crocodile is menacing for sure, but I wouldn't say कि it's perfect. Majorly उसका जो design है, that exactly did not work for me. I mean, it might be true, it might be how real crocodiles look, but for me, I don't know, I just felt CGI to me. I did not always buy that's a crocodile there, even the way it moved or something. I know it might not be a big budget film and I'm being nitpicky, but I'm just saying, okay, when you know this tension is rising and very quickly you realize, oh, this is not real. So the whole point of being scared of it goes away. This is again, I'm not saying this is a very norm, like यही है पूरे movie में, नहीं, but there are instances when you do realize it's a CGI crocodile and it's not real in between the tension. But my bigger issue in the film with the crocodile is the power dynamics. Like at one point you are showing this crocodile is so strong. It grabs the bike and it's shaking the whole bike with a person. It's so powerful, and then there's a moment in the film जहाँ पे Adarsh is literally kicking the crocodile and crocodile is trying to bite him, and it's like that would not work on crocodile, but I get it. If it did not work, then movie would be over very quickly. And at one point, it becomes so powerful. I was like, oh, that's maybe pushing it. I mean, it's fun. I don't know if it can really happen or not, but in the context of a film, I felt like it's pushing it. But ठीक है, nothing of a big deal. However, there's this one thing in the film जहाँ पे I felt एक मिनट. So they show that जो pool है उसके मशीन के अंदर कुछ तो खराबी हो गई है, and now the entire pool will drain out. फिर बारिश होती है, and then towards the end of the film pool वापस भरने लगता है बारिश के पानी से, and I'm like, but your water should drain out, so पानी भर कैसे रहा है अंदर? That I did not exactly understand. अच्छा खासा पानी भर जाता है. So yeah, I do not exactly know how that worked. So just minor hiccups here and there, but overall I would suggest, yeah, you should go for the film if you want something thrilling, if you want something fresh, something very unique from Bollywood, Hindi film industry. I don't think we have made such a film. At least we have definitely not made such a film in recent times. पहले बनती होगी तो I am not aware. This is the first of a kind I have seen, at least Hindi cinema. I really liked it. I think it's very fresh. It's new. So yeah, if you like what you see and you want to see more, click right here to see more. Jeremy. Yeah. But yeah, if you like what you see, so please leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Yeah. Bye.